Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels music not adding problem. If you're using Instagram and your Instagram Reels is not allowed to add music, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So open up your app store, go for a search, and here you have to simply search for Instagram. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your Instagram app, or if you have any update you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and once you have checked your internet connection, you have to go to your Instagram app, and here you have to simply open up the Reels section, then tap on this plus option, and here select the reel from here, and then you just have to select the reel which you want. For example, I'm going to add some photos to my reel. So once you have select, simply tap on this next option, and from here you can easily add music to your Instagram reels. So select the music which you want to set. For example, I'm going to set the first one, then tap on this next option, and from here you can easily add more music, or you can make changes to your video. Once you have done, simply tap on this next option, then tap on next, and your video will be uploaded with the specific music which you want. So in this way you can easily fix not if you can't add your music and your Instagram reel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.